Namaskar. Once upon a time, there was a merchant called Sam, and he owed a large amount of money to a moneylender called Tom. So one day, the time came when it was his last day to pay off his debt to the moneylender, and Sam could not arrange money from anywhere. And he was in a fix what to do because Tom had come to his place and he was demanding money. So also the money lender had eye on Sam's daughter because she was very beautiful. He wanted to marry her. So he told Sam that I will write off your debt if you marry your daughter to me. But Sam was not really very excited about this idea because not only the money lender was a bad guy, he also was an ugly looking guy. And Sam did not want his daughter to have a bad life with this guy. So he was really in a fix. So he came up with an idea and he told the money lender that see, the land where we are standing has black and white pebbles. I will take black and white pebbles in each of my hand, and if my daughter chooses white pebble, then you write off the debt and you don't marry my daughter. And if she picks up the black pebble, then you write off my debt, but you can marry my daughter. So Tom was very happy. He said okay, fine. And since he was a very clever money lender, he picked up black pebbles only from the ground. And money lender was very cunning, and he was now very sure that the girl will choose the black pebble in either of the hands and he will marry her off. But the girl was looking at what Tom was doing. She saw him picking up both black pebbles in his hands. So she was also in a fix to as in what to do, whether to tell her father that this is what moneylender has done, and if she tells her father, he will be angry at moneylender, and again, like, moneylender will not waive off any debt, and he will trouble her father. And if she chooses no if she picks up any pebble, it will be a black pebble, and she will have to marry the moneylender. So she was in a fix. She didn't know what to do. So suddenly she told the money lender that okay, I'll pick up one pebble from your hand. And she takes one pebble, and accidentally the pebble falls off on the ground. So now the girl says that okay, show us your other hand and show us what color pebble you have, so that we know that I had chosen the other pebble. And now the money lender was really worried because he had picked up both black pebbles. So he was thinking whether to show or not. If he shows, then the black pebble will be there and the girl will not marry him, and the money will also go away. He will not receive any money from the merchant. But he had no choice. So he showed his hand, and as expected, it was a black pebble. So the girl said okay, now I had selected the white pebble, which means you will not marry me and you will also write off my father's debt. So merchant had no choice, and he had to do whatever he had promised, and he went away. So the girl was very clever. She not only acted well, and she showed presence of mind, and she thought out of the box, and she got out of that difficult situation for not only her father but for herself. So in the same way, life also offers us difficult situations, and sometimes we are not in a position to get out of those situations. We have to act in such a way that we solve the problem. So think out of the box and be smart, be active. God bless us all.